Job alert for freshers. Volvo Group is hiring. Location: Bangalore, in PIN 562122. Role: Graduate Apprentice Trainee. Field: Data Science and Engineering. Type: Student, Internship. Are you ready to kickstart your career with a global brand that's shaping the future of transport and sustainability? Volvo Group, yes, the name behind world-class trucks and buses, is now hiring graduate apprentice trainees who are passionate about data science, Python, SQL, and Power BI. What you'll do: build beautiful dashboards using Power BI. Dive into real-world data, clean, analyze, and visualize it. Apply your Python and SQL skills to solve practical problems. Explore machine learning models, especially time series forecasting. Work with passionate tech teams and gain hands-on experience. Learn to turn data into decisions in a real-world engineering environment. Eligibility: bachelor's degree in engineering technology, knowledge of Python, SQL, and data visualization tools. Good understanding of statistics, EDA, and ML fundamentals. Bonus if you know automotive systems, MATLAB/Simulink, or mathematical modeling. Why this is a golden opportunity: work at Volvo Group, a global leader in sustainable transport. Get exposure to cutting-edge intelligent systems and technologies. Learn directly from experienced professionals. Make your first step count in the data science field, a perfect launchpad for students and fresh graduates. My advice: even if you don't tick every box, apply. Volvo encourages fresh talent to take the leap. This could be your breakthrough role in the tech industry. Don't miss out. Apply now and build your career with Volvo.